Hi everyone, welcome. We're going to go through 10 minutes of movement just to shift how you feel. So let's start with the wrists and feel the wrists. So tuning in to the wrists from the body, all your awareness to the wrists and the other way. When you do something with intention and really are present, 10 minutes can make a big difference. Let's get into the fingers. So we're mobilizing the joints and let's lift the shoulders, bring them back, roll them down and bring them forward. Up, back, down and forward. And the other way now, forward, down, back and up, forward, down, back and up. And then gently moving your head from right to left and really stay here. Really staying here. Feeling the movement of the neck. And then maybe just ear to shoulder. Feeling the stretch on one side. Feeling the stretch on the other side. Great. Then sit in a child pose for a moment. So you can bring your knees out to the outer edges of the mat. Rest your forehead on your hands. I'm just going to be up here a little so I don't get muffled. And just take a few deeper breaths. And as you breathe deeper, tuning in to how it's feeling inside of your body, your inner landscape. Another breath. Using your breath to open the body, deep and full. And as you're exhaling, walking your hands out, so you're getting a stretch in the shoulders, come onto the fingertips. And walk your hands back in and come onto all fours. Move, move, move. Thanks, Guy. And then as you're on all fours, inhale, lift the chest through the gate of the arms, the shoulders, and exhaling, rounding the spine. So inhaling, opening the chest, taking your sit bones up. Exhaling, rounding the spine. One more. And rounding. And now taking that rounding up to the right. Lower it and then over to the left and back up along the left. So circle sideways. And then circle the other direction back. And tuck your toes. Inhaling, exhaling, gently press back. Downward dog just for a brief moment. Walk out your legs. Relax the head. Take your hips up and back. Firm the fingers down, especially the tops of the fingers. So it's not all on your wrists. And bring the knees back down. Inhale, step your right foot forward. And then draw the legs and the feet together a bit as you're inhaling, lifting your arms up. And we take a side bend. You can place your left hand on your right leg or your hip. And then take the body over to the right. Inhale. And just stay here for a moment. Feel what that does. And then as you're exhaling, you can draw your elbow back behind you, opening the chest. Maybe even look at the arm and inhaling, going back over. Looking down to your right. One more time. Exhaling, drawing that arm back. You can look back to help that movement. Inhaling, drawing over to the right. Last one. And inhaling, side bend over to the right. Okay, come back out. And bring your right knee back next to your left. Inhale, step left forward. Exhale, drawing in a little bit so you can inhale, lift your arms up. Place your left hand on your leg now and then inhale, taking the body over to the left. So you're stretching out the right side body. Take a moment here, feel and really be present to what it is you feel. This is one way to come out of whatever the mind is busy with and become more aware of what's here right now. Inhaling. Look over to the right, draw the elbow back, the shoulder blade down behind you and inhale, come back to your side bend. Exhale, draw that arm down behind you. Inhale back to your side bend. And feel what it's like. For me, there's a big difference between right and left. So I'm just being curious, and I'm not overdoing it. This side is tight, so I'm taking it actually easy. I'm not going as deep. And gently come back down and step back to a downward dog. Stretching out the hamstrings a bit more. Inhale, sweep your right leg up behind. Step it through. And bring the back knee down. Take the body back. So you're shifting the hips back, flexing your right foot. And move your hips around a little bit. Okay. And from here, as you're inhaling, bring your right knee back and lift that leg up behind you. Bring your foot to your hip. And then circle the hip one way. Doesn't really matter which way. Keeping the rest of the body quite strong, so I'm not moving my rib cage too much. And my spine, I'm really wanting to feel this in my hip joints. Okay. And move your right knee next to your left. Come back to downward dog. Exhale, inhale, sweep your left leg up. Step it through, back knee down. And take the body back for a hamstring stretch and move around here a little bit. So the hips are over the right knee. Your left leg is more or less straight. Your foot is flexed. Breathe. And then from here, you sweep your left leg back. Bend the knee, bring your foot to your bum, lift that knee up, and again, circle, keeping the torso quite still. So we're really feeling this in the hip joint, and circle the other direction. Okay, briefly back to downward dog. Inhale to plank. Exhale, knees down, roll over your thighs. Come to a cobra. Place your hands further forward on the fingertips. And then as you're inhaling, lift up into a cobra. Use your back muscles. Exhale, come back down. Legs strong, front of the feet. Press down, pubic bone presses down. Without hands, now inhale, lift. Exhale, down. With hands, inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Without hands, inhale, lift. Exhale, down. With hands, one more time. Inhale, lift, hold. Exhale, look over the left shoulder. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, look over the right shoulder. Inhale, back to center. Now, look to the left and sort of lower your right shoulder towards the floor. Inhale, back up. Look over the right, lower your left shoulder towards the floor. Inhale, back up. And come down. One more time, up with your arms behind you. You might even interlace the fingers, lift the chest, the head, the legs. Take a deep, full breath in, enjoy. And come back down. Inhale onto all fours. Exhale, downward dog. Walk it out. Deep in breath. Long out breath. Walk your feet towards the hands. Release the head down. Inhale, root down. Take your arms wide and up. Come to standing. Reach up. And exhale, hands to heart. Inhale. Come to the toes as you lift your arms up in front. As you're exhaling, settling your energy. The heels down. So your hands move along the front of the body down with the palms down. Inhale again. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Settle the energy. Even knees bent. One more time. Inhale onto the toes. Stretch up. Grab some energy. And exhale. Settle. Hands come down along the front of the body. Palms facing down. Imagine all this energy settling your lower belly. Place your hands there. It's as if your energy is sinking down. Everything you've just done to move your energy, to wake it up, to awaken your joints. Now let it settle. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day and that you enjoyed this little pick-me-up. 10 minutes can make a big difference in how you feel and how you continue with the rest of your day. Namaste.